Friends, welcome to the target series of RBWM. In target series, as you know, we are covering all the subjects of JAIIB. It includes your PPB, Indian economy, okay, RBWM and AFM. I am covering RBWM. So today, my topic will be service standards in retail banking. The questions will be based on that, plus some other questions also. Both of them I will cover. Okay. So, let's start. See, the point over here is what we have to look at before going ahead. Before going ahead, everyone kindly share this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, like this video. Okay? So, let's start. Various compliance requirements for the promises made by the banks for offering services to retail banking customers have been prescribed by. So who prescribes these? That what are the service levels given to the customers? Means what do you mean by service levels? Service level here means, suppose if I say my DD will be given in, let's say, half an hour. So I have to adhere to it, half an hour. That is known as TAT. So I will focus on TATs. Okay? My service level will be TATs. So compliance requirements. Service level is that, suppose if I have to give the reporting to RBI of large cash transactions, so I have to give. So who prescribes all this? All this is prescribed by either RBI, IBA, BCSBI or FEDI. Who prescribes? FEDI is out of question because FEDI is not related to retail banking at all, right? FEDI is out of question. So RBI is everywhere. Okay, RBI prescribes everything. IBA, Indian Banking Association, does it do it? So the real answer over here is BCSBI, which is the topic, isn't it? Service standards. Banking codes and standards framed by BCSBI is a, what is it? Mandatory code to be followed by the banks. Voluntary code to set minimum standards of the banking practice. It supersedes all RBI instructions on customer service. It supersedes all IBA instructions on customer service. So what is it? Is it a mandatory code? It is a voluntary code? It supersedes all RBI instructions? Or what is it? So is it a voluntary code or is it a compulsory code? That is the main issue. The main issue over here is mandatory code or voluntary code. Remaining things are okay. So the answer over here is BCSBI is a voluntary code, minimum standards. Okay, it's a voluntary code, minimum standards. Okay, what is the minimum level of expectation which the customer has and which you should provide to the customer? That's it, isn't it? What is the objective of banking codes and standards framed by BCSBI? I think so, same question. The banking codes and standards framed by BCSBI supersede the following: RBI guidelines on customer service, government guidelines on customer service, IBA guidelines on customer service, and none of the above. Here it is. What does it supersede? Yeah, it supersedes none of the above. It can't supersede anything. It is the minimum level of standards. It is a service. It's not a contravention to any of the guidelines. Okay? The objective of BCSBI is to, number A, to promote good and fair banking practices. B, to increase the transparency. C, to encourage the market forces. D, to foster the confidence in the banking system. What is it? Simple one. What is it? Answer is A to D, all. See, everything is important. Promote good and fair banking practice, increase transparency, encourage market forces, and foster confidence, isn't it? If people get better service, only then they'll have the confidence in the banking system. Otherwise, how will they have? How will they trust you? isn't it? Now let's solve some other questions. Among the given, which of the following stages are involved in CRM initiative? CRM. What is CRM? CRM means Customer Relationship Management. One of the chapters for you in your JAIIB, in RBWM. It's a separate chapter. CRM is mainly used for HNI clients. HNI. Okay? All the HNI clients you have to track using CRM. Why? So that they give you better business. What happens generally, I'll tell you. It's a 80-20 principle. 80-20 means what? 80% of the business you get it from 20% of the customers. Only 80% of the business from 20% of the customers. That's 80-20 principle. So these 20% customers, you track it using CRM. So which of the following are involved in CRM initiative? Offering products and services to the targeted and segmented customers from the information buckets with the right pricing. Such a big sentence. Here, offering the products and services, simple, to the targeted and segmented. It means one and the same, targeted and segmented. We segment that customer, that this is HNI, this is this ultra HNI, and we offer those products from the information buckets with the right pricing. Right pricing, this is very important, pricing. Everything in this world depends on pricing nowadays. Everything depends on pricing. If you give home loans at, let's say, 12% today, nobody will come to you. Okay? Means I'm talking of banking. NBFCs do give 14% also, they give in the home loans. But if you're talking of banks, it's hardly 8.5% nowadays, isn't it? So right pricing, providing the right sales and services, service processes to achieve total customer satisfaction. Now it's up to you to answer. Huh? You have to answer me. I'm just giving you the explanation in the meantime. Answer me. Let me see in the comment section the answers. Okay? I want it in the comment section. Providing the right sales and services processes to achieve the total customer satisfaction. Isn't it? Right sales and services. Satisfaction, that is the ultimate goal of any bank. Nowadays we are going from customer satisfaction to next step we are in customer delight. Delight means you give something extra to the customer, what the customer has not expected. Means what do you mean by delights here? I'll give you a simple example of satisfaction and delight. Yeah, I come to you to open the savings account. So satisfaction means what? You open that savings account, give me my debit card, checkbook and all these things, satisfied. Delight means what? You give me additional, means you give me a term insurance free when I open the savings account. Delight, you're giving me something extra. Who doesn't want free? Everyone wants something free. Delight. Okay? So, providing the right sales and services processes to achieve the total customer satisfaction. Tracking the customer information on a dynamic basis to design new products and services to meet the changing dynamics of the customers. So tracking the customer information, here tracking the information of that customer on a dynamic basis. Dynamic means constantly changing. The information is constantly changing. The customer is constantly changing. Requirements are changing. To design the new products are to be designed. Design the new products means design the products. New products, what do the customer want? Customer wants FDOD, customer wants no penalty FDR, new product, go on designing. Customer wants credit card and services to meet the changing dynamics of the customers, means changing requirements. So why do you use CRM? Let me see in the comment section. Correct? All of the above. We use CRM for all of the above because all of the three are the requirement of the banking today. Bank requires everything today. You can't even leave a single point out of these three. Otherwise, competition will catch you. Okay? Next one. Read this. Very simple one. This is the simplest one. Which of the following is not a part of promotion mix? Most simplest one, promotion mix. Public relations, advertising, direct marketing, and place. Yeah, which of them is not the part? Not the part of promotion mix. Firstly, what is promotion mix? What is promotion mix? There are 7 P's in banking. What are the 7 P's? In those 7 P's, this promotion comes. What are the 7 P's? Here, product, price, place, promotion. These are the 4 P's mainly of product. 4 P's are these. And then in services, we add 3 more P's. People, process, and physical evidence. Okay, evidence. So physical evidence. So these are the 7 P's. Now what about this question, promotion mix? This is the promotion mix. So what is there in promotion mix? And what is not there in promotion mix? Here, promotion means what? Advertising. I need to tell the people that I am having something. Okay? If you don't tell, here, it's always the crybaby's concept. Crybaby means what? The baby which cries gets the milk. Simple logic. So if you have something, you tell to the customers, tell to the general public, then only they will come and purchase. So which of them is a part? Public relations? Yes, you have to be there. You have to speak to the clients. You have to maintain the relationship. Good customers, HNI customers, strong customers. You have to always maintain the relationship with them. Advertise. You have to go on advertising. That's why we are seeing nowadays advertising has changed a lot. Earlier it was only newspapers. Then it was TV, television. Now television is also gone. Now it's social media. So advertising, direct marketing means human being, directly involving the human being. Door to door. Go door to door. You see those door to door coming in? Again, direct marketing. So that is also place. What do you want? Not a part. Place is not a part of promotional mix. See, this place is separate. Place is a part of 7 P's. Okay? This total together is known as marketing mix. These 7 P's are known as marketing mix. So place is a part of marketing mix. It is not a part of promotion mix. Okay? Promotion is also a part of marketing mix. So place is not a part of promotion mix. Okay? So that is the answer. Got it? Clear everyone? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood it. Understood? Move on to the next. Chalo, let's move on. Type yes everyone. Let me see if you have understood it up till now. Move on. To make the FD to function like a current account, banks offer what? FD and current account. How? How can this be mixed? FD is FD, current account is current account. Current account is for daily transactions. FD is one time, just keep it once for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Forget it. At the end, get the amount. What is this FD and current account mixture? Offer cancelable FDRs, offer no prepayment penalty FDRs, offer overdraft facility available to the FDRs, and all of the above. Just now we saw one question similar. At that time the answer was all of the above. Here, what will be the answer here? Offer like a current account. So FD will act like a current account. Means what? I'll be able to use this FD. Okay. like the current account. How should I use it? This is for daily transaction, daily, and this is for once. So how can I mix these two products? For mixing these two products, can I have this cancelable FDRs? If I am cancelling this FDR, cancelable means no penalty again. But then it doesn't remain the FDR, right? I want the FD also to be there and function like the current account. So after cancelling it, it will be transferred to my savings or current account. So that is not the option. Offer no prepayment penalty FDRs. No prepayment penalty. Means the same similar ones. Whenever I want to just withdraw it, I can withdraw it without any penalty. But then also, in that case also, where is the FDR? FDR is gone. But I want the FDR to remain. That is also gone. OD facility on FDR. This is something, yes. Because in this what happens, FD is of 1 lakh. I'll give you 90,000. So both are remaining. FD is also there. 90K is also I can use it. This is the OD facility. Whenever I want, I'll use it. Whenever I don't want, I'll repay it. I'll pay it into this. I want the withdrawal. Let's say I want today 50,000. So I'll withdraw 50K. Tomorrow, let's say I get 40,000 out of it. Somebody gives me 40,000. I'll deposit it. So it's like the OD account, current account, CC. So here it's acting like the OD. So whenever you want the FD to act like a OD, use FD OD. Very important one. Okay? Clear everyone? Next. Among the below mentioned statements, which of the following is correct? Always in exam check what is asked. Correct or incorrect? What do they want? Do they want correct or do they want incorrect? Otherwise what happens, you know the question and you miss out because you don't read the question properly. Roughly your 7 to 8 marks will be saved if you read the question properly. Okay? So which one is correct? In the debt market, investors and traders buy and sell shares of the stocks. Means shares, buy and sell shares. Let's say simple. In debt market, investors and traders buy and sell shares. Shares of stock means basically it is same. Shares and stock is one and the same. Okay? So shares or stocks in debt market. You are having a separate topic on this, wealth management. This mutual fund is a topic in this. Next. Stocks are stakes in the company purchased to profit from company dividends and or resale of the stock. So stocks are stakes in the company. Stake. Is stock the stake in the company? Purchased to profit from the company dividends. Means whenever I purchase the stocks, do I get dividends? Why do I purchase the stocks? To get some dividends? Or resale. Resale means whenever the price goes up, I'll sell it. Is it the same? I want the answer from your side. I want a correct answer. In equity market, investors and traders buy and sell bonds. In equity markets, do the investors buy bonds or something else? Equity instruments are essentially loans that yield payments of interest on to their owners. So these are loans. Equity is a loan. What is it? So which one is the correct one? Let me see in the comment section. I'll give you the explanation. First, give me the correct one. Yes? Okay. So I'll give you the first answer. The answer is this. B. Stocks are stakes in the company purchased to profit from dividends or resale. Shares. Whenever I buy shares, I'll get the dividend from that share or I'll sell that share at a higher price. That's a simple logic. What about this? In debt market, see here, A and C are related. Debt and equity. Look at this. Debt and equity. They are related. They are exactly opposite. In debt market, investors buy and sell bonds. So bonds are done in this. These are done in debt market. And in equity, we do stock shares. It is exactly given opposite. Equity market shares, debt market bonds. We buy and sell bonds in debt market. In the secondary market, that's called as secondary market. Equity instruments are essentially loans. Is it loans? No, equity instruments are not loans. These are investments. Investments. Loans are bonds are loans. Kindly note, bond market is a loan. Here there are basically three types of markets. Okay, equity, debt, and liquid. Okay, equity, debt, and liquid. Basically, debt and liquid is same. Only liquid is safe. Safest one is liquid. This is also bond, that is also bond. Liquid is generally government bonds. Government. Gilt funds we call it, gilt bonds. Which are safest one? AAA rated. AAA plus. Sovereign rating. Government rating. Liquid. Debt is basically of the private companies. Debentures. Debt. There is a slight risk involved in it. Because the company might fail. But equity is heavy risk, heavy, completely risky instrument. It's an investment. Either you make money or you lose money. Simple. Okay? So these are the three markets. Got it? So coming back to the question. So debt market you got it. Equity market you got it. Equity instruments you got it. Okay, so the answer is clear now. And even the wrong answers are clear now. Here, not only the correct answer, you should know the wrong answer also. Why it is wrong, isn't it? Group life insurance covers group health. Covers and group health covers are offered by bank with. So group life insurance are offered by the banks for what? Means why does the bank give group life insurance or any life insurance cover? Generally group life is given to the bigger companies. FDR, saving and current accounts. FDR and current accounts. Savings account and FD accounts. Savings bank account and current accounts. So group life insurance is offered by the company, by the bank. Okay. It's a basically free privilege, it is offered by the banks nowadays. Means customer delight, I told you now. I come to you for opening the savings account, you give me extra. Along with the savings, you give me life insurance also. Term insurance. So, group health, life and health. Where do you offer? You offer it to any of these products, any of these. FDR, saving or current, depending on what your requirement is. Here, very simple. If my bank wants to increase the FDR, I have less FDRs. I want to increase the FDR. Health insurance with FDR. I want to increase my CASA, current account, savings account. Health insurance with CASA. Whatever I want, it is just an additional privilege given to the customers. Additional, like ice cream toppings. I am selling you ice cream. And then I will give you vanilla flavor, chocolate flavor, this flavor, that flavor. One-on-one free. These are all the marketing gimmicks. Okay? Got it? So group life insurance covers and health insurance covers are given as a toppings. Toppings on that ice cream. You buy the savings account, you buy the current account, you buy the FDR, you will get life insurance. Even if they are given on credit card also. You buy the credit card from me, I will give you health insurance free for 1 year, right? So various things can be given. These are called as this, in your PLC, in your product system, you have this, right? Generic product, augmented product. This is called as augmented product. Whenever you give something additional. Okay. So these were the questions of all this combined, BCSB and others. So now before going, let me show you some, the new batches which have started. Okay. Go to Adda 24/7. Always go through the app. In the app, you are getting 1% extra. Download the app first and then only purchase. Then go to Adda 24/7. Click on JAIIB and CIB. See the JAIIB and CIB. Click on JAIIB November. You'll see the batches. Look at this. JAIIB Mahapack, Increment Mahapack. Then 2 batches, Increment batch. Join this English one, Increment batch. See this. You get ebooks, mock tests, live classes, recorded sessions, everything you get. Okay? And mock tests and ebooks are to the level of chapter wise, per chapter. So that's why join ASAP. And how do you join? See this. Use the code Y432. Y432. Click on enter. See this. 80% discount plus 1% extra through the app. So 81% discount. Net. Huge. Okay? So join it ASAP. Also you can join the Mahapacks. See the Mahapacks I have shown you. Join this JAIIB Increment Mahapack. Here you get physical books as well as ebooks, both. Plus right now you are getting double validity. Means you buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. 6 months free. You buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. Join this Increment Mahapack, one of the best Mahapacks. Okay? So same, code is same, Y432, Y432. Click on enter. Say this, 80% discount plus 1% extra plus double validity. Huge win-win. Okay? So join it ASAP. Chalo.